Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today's video is about Etsy digital product ideas and how to make them. Alright guys, so you basically want to sell on Etsy without shipping products or holding inventory. In this guide, I'll show you profitable Etsy digital product ideas and exactly how you can make them in 2026. Alright guys, so let's simply get started. The first step is why digital products actually work. So this is a less common asked question, but why do digital products work on Etsy? It's mainly because they have zero shipping cost. They are created and sold once. They generate passive income if you're doing your job properly. And also they are beginner friendly. Anyone can hop on it and just trend. All right, so moving on, the best digital products you could start, these are the ideas, are planners and organizers. So you could set up a daily planner for someone or a random individual and it would work. You could also create budget trackers so people can actually track their budgets. You can do this as a website, but that is more exhausting. It's easier to get it done as, a digital product. You could also set up fitness and meal planners so people can actually plan their meals, they can plan their fitness, they can plan their workouts as well. And you could make them using Canva. So most of this can be done using Canva. Just simply choose a planner template. I'll show you this in a couple of seconds. All you need to do is just simply search for Canva on your browser. So once you have searched for Canva, go ahead and open it up on a new tab. And then once you have opened up a new tab, make sure you have a Canva account. If you don't have an account, just simply sign up for Canva. Once you have signed up for Canva, head over to the templates menu, or you could move over to home and then click on templates and you'd still get this result. So I had already entered planners and organizers into my search for templates. Now all you need to do is just simply click on submit, and it's going to go ahead and submit the request. And then you're going to be seeing tons of templates you can make use of, some of which are paid for and some of which are free. So we have weekly planners, we have wedding organizers, we also have annual planners, daily planners, a whole lot of positivity going on. This actually looks quite good, so you could just simply click on any of them you're interested in, any of them you feel like you can easily replicate and customize. The essence of using a template is basically taking advantage of someone else's work. It is not necessarily taking advantage, but making use of what you're getting, because templates are cheat sheets that you can just simply customize and enjoy and sell. So just go ahead and click on customize this template. It's going to open up in a new tab. While it opens up, you could take a look at the things you can do. You could change the color of this. You could change the color of the daily planner. You could just change the entire accent of the planner and then simply sell this as a PDF or any form of media like JPEG or PNG. But I would recommend setting them up as PDFs, as that is much better to interact with. All right, so the next thing you can sell on Canva, the next thing you can sell on Etsy is a printable wall art. So just simply use the same method, head over to the templates menu, use the search to simply search for templates, and then type in printable wall art. So printable wall art are amazing. You could just simply set it up in your kids' room. You could sell it to people. You could even have an entire customized wall full of art and different kind of things. So just go ahead and type this in and click on search. You would get varying results for the printable wall art. So please keep that in mind when you're searching. All right, and once the search comes through, you get to see the kind of wall art that's available. We have A3, we have this looks quite good. We also have this, it's quite minimalist. You could just simply print it out, put it into a showcase and hang it up on your wall. Or you could just sell this as a printable wall art so people can actually print it out. This is quite amazing. If you keep going, you can get to see more and more stuff. You would likely see more crown at the bottom of your screen here. They represent premium templates that are included in Canva Premium. So you will need Canva Premium access in order to enjoy these features, or in order to enjoy these in order to enjoy these work of arts. All right, now another idea you could try out is digital templates. So you could use the same Canva to simply search for digital templates. All you need to do here is for the printable, please make sure to design it within Canva and use popular Etsy sizes, and then also export them as a high resolution PDF or a PNG, as the case may be. And then for digital templates, you could just type in resume. So just go ahead and type in resume templates, and you would get a lot of templates that you can work around with and practically use and enjoy. All right, so for the templates, how you can make them is just create editable Canva links. You could do this on Canva when you simply opening up a design, and then you could just simply design something small, and then where we have the links, you could set up a link system that works based off of people joining your link and being able to edit it and then save their edits, and you're selling the link, not the actual template. All right, and then another design or another idea would be checklists and worksheets. So you could set up goal setting worksheets, study planners, business checklists, and then simply use Canvas text and layouts to create them and then export them as PDFs, because simple products sell that fast. All right, guys, and then for the upload, all you need to do is head over to Etsy. Head over to the Etsy platform, click on Shop Manager over here, and then you would be able to upload your content by simply clicking on List. And then once you have, just upload your PDF or your Canva link, write a keyword-rich title, add maybe images, pictures, and then set it to instant download or something. And then once it's listed, Etsy would handle the delivery. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.